Welcome back to my channel. Today will be a super quick recipe. Keto, perhaps. You just have to measure out your cream and everything. I think it can be done. But overall, just a quick way to make an Italian soda with Mio. Well, I don't have the brand Mio, but I have the Berry Blast from Great Value. Also optional. Since I have Berry Blast, I'm gonna throw some blueberries in my Italian soda. So you're gonna need your Mio, concentrated liquid squirting thing of your choice, your flavor, some sparkling water, club soda. I got this at Walmart. It was a little scarce this time. They didn't have any Topo Chico or Minaragua. Usually I buy the Minaragua because it's cheaper than Topo and it has less sodium. But they had this, and it's okay. It's not as carbonated, but it still works. Some half and half, your glass, and I have some whipped cream that I already pre-sweetened with one packet of of stevia. Or you can buy the one that comes in a can, whatever you have on hand. And let me get my berries. I'm gonna put some ice in here, my berries, muddle it a little bit, which is like, I'm gonna slightly squish it, and then I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna make it. Here's my Italian soda using the Mio. Side note, I did experiment this before. These concentrated like little squirt bottle flavorings work the best. I tried to use a liquid IV one time, and while I do make like sodas with liquid IV, like I'll put it in a giant mason jar, because if you add like powdered or carbonated water, it like overflows. So you have to have like a really big cup. But usually if I want something to drink without that many calories, that's something flavorful, I'll put a liquid IV, passion fruit's great, strawberry's great, in like a giant mason jar with ice, and then I'll put like a Topo Chico. But I tried it doing this method with the Italian soda, and while it works just as like a little fake soda when you're eating something, once you put in like the fat, like the whipped cream, and like if you put berries or whatever, it really brings out how, and I didn't even notice this at first when I did it, it really brings out the saltiness of the liquid IV. So while it was bearable, like I finished it because obviously I made it, I wasn't gonna waste like a sparkling water, but I wouldn't recommend it unless you're truly desperate for just something sweet. But definitely these, like the little, like I said, the little Mios and these liquid concentrated squirt bottles are the way to go for this. Almost no calories except for like the calories in the whipped cream, but of course you can omit that and just use the half and half. But Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching.